Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about meme coins, the overall crypto market, and give you guys my opinion on this Ethereum spot ETF and what it means for Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies. So, without further ado, let's hop into this video, guys. So, I just Googled Ethereum spot ETF because I don't really like going into each of these, and I want to give you this general idea of what I'm seeing here. So, basically, spot Ethereum ETFs may begin trading by July 2nd. July 2nd. July 2nd. SEC Chair Gensler envisions U.S. spot Ethereum ETF launching this summer. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Right now, the market feels like this means nothing. The market seems, well, the market is just trading sideways. We're chopping around. But the ecosystem, the cryptocurrency ecosystem, seems like it's the bear market, that it's all over, that we're at $18,000 Bitcoin. That's what it feels like right now. And we're just trading sideways. But I will say, when we look at the top meme coins right now, when we look at your Dog, your Brett, your Bonk, your Floki, Dog with Hat, Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, they're not feeling too good, guys. The altcoins are getting wrecked. They're getting wrecked very, very badly. The meme coins especially. And this is, let's just say how it is. I mean, this cycle, meme coins have been the number one narrative by far. By far. That's where all the people are talking. That's where the money is flowing. That's where the people are going. And that's what you guys should be doing too. Not financial advice, but, well, maybe it is. You should be going where the money is flowing. That's where you should be looking at and paying attention to that sector with inside of cryptocurrency. And to be honest, guys, it's been the meme coins. It has been the meme coins. And so, a lot of them are getting hit pretty hard right now. And I really want to emphasize on what this Ethereum SPY ETF means for the meme coins because, in my opinion, I do think that this will be one of the catalysts to really start us off on this next leg to the upside. But in the meantime, man, oh man, it is bearish out there, guys. It is so bearish. It's, like I said, it feels like we're going to, like any moment now, I'm going to hear people saying Bitcoin's going to zero, even though we're trading at $65,000, okay? But over on Twitter, I posted, consolidation is not weak unless it breaks down. Because right now, really what's going on is Bitcoin is trading sideways. It's trading sideways, and we are flirting with some levels that I don't really want to see Bitcoin flirting with that would indicate a potential breakdown if we do get confirmations below it. But it's just consolidation at this point. It's just consolidation, setting us up for another move to either the upside or to the downside. But in my opinion, with the Ethereum spot ETF around the corner, I think we'll probably see a move to the upside, especially with how this Ethereum spot ETF was basically just came out of nowhere. When the Bitcoin spot ETF came out, there was months, and there was honestly like years of people expecting it and hoping for it. There was the fake reveal of the Bitcoin spot ETF when the SEC Twitter account accidentally said that they launched it. But there was a lot of questionable things happening with the Bitcoin spot ETF. And Ethereum spot ETF just came out of nowhere. So I do think that a sell the news event isn't really on the table because not enough retail knows about it. But what does this mean for the meme coins? I really do believe that the Ethereum spot ETF will be somewhat of a catalyst to bring us up to that next leg up. And honestly, Ethereum is the king of the altcoins. When Ethereum makes big moves to the upside, that's when you see these altcoins and these meme coins really make runs up. So I am expecting, for the time being, probably a little bit of pain. I mean, like 21% on Brett, 17% on Bonk, 32.54% on Floki. I mean, a lot of these are getting hit really bad. That's only the past 7 days. They're probably worse when you look at the monthly. But I do expect that these meme coins do perform well, especially Pepe. I think Pepe has a fantastic position in the market right now because I do think that it's probably going to be the next chosen meme coin. It'll probably be coming up around the Shiba Inu level, around that, I think it's possible to get $30 billion, $40 billion on Pepe. I think that's possible because there's been so much hype behind it. It has the most attention because of the meme it has. But I think a lot of these meme coins will see some more love, especially when we see that next leg up. So let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap because right now, like I said, it is so bearish out there. People are so bearish while Bitcoin is trading above $66,000. Absolutely incredible. Bitcoin dominance trade at 54.33% when you exclude stablecoins. We're trading basically 56.33%, guys. And like I said, we're making our way back to the upside. Maybe probably touch around that 60% level. I would not be surprised at all if we see that happen, especially if we continue to chop sideways like this with little tiny moves to the... Like when Bitcoin sneezes right now, the entire altcoin space basically loses 20% of their market cap. It's absurd. But I do think that because of that we could probably see Bitcoin dominance make its way up back to 60% until we see some more life or see that next leg up to the upside with Bitcoin or see the Ethereum SPY ETF actually get approved. Now, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. On our way to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. But let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit more. So right now, I said it, Bitcoin is flirting with a level I don't really like to see it be flirting with. It's flirting with a bull market support trend right here. And we're really flirting with it. Really flirting with it on the weekly. The weekly candle closure was yesterday, and we are laying on that band. And can we break below it? Sure. Can it be a little bit of a fake out? Can we come down below it and come back up? Yeah, I would not be saying, okay, we're probably in for more pain unless we see candle closures below it. But that being said, it doesn't look good just laying on that. We want to see a bounce off it. We want to get a little bit of room off of this like this. See that curvature? We want to see that to the upside. And like I said, in my opinion, I think that there's a very high likelihood chance that we trade sideways throughout the summer. Maybe even on July 2nd if the Ethereum Spot ETF does actually get approved. I'm not sure if it will. Those dates are always, those deadlines they call them, are kind of shifting around. But I do think that we could be paying close attention to July 2nd. And if it does get pushed back, we could probably trade sideways even longer, guys. Maybe even make that impulse to the downside. But I really don't see us breaking below, say, $56,000. If we do that, then that's another video. Then I'm going to be expecting a little bit more of a corrective period for a longer period of time. Not saying the bull market is over by any means, but I am saying that we probably would be in for some pain. Because I do want to show you the monthly candles on Bitcoin. We do have a red dot on Market Cipher on the tip of the momentum wave. I don't like seeing that. Every time we see a red dot on the tip of the momentum wave, we see some significant pain, guys. And, the first time we saw it happen was back in 2017, and we saw this big, that was the top. It was the top. But we did see the momentum wave come above 100, but you can see, diminishing returns. The higher Bitcoin goes, the more money it takes to push percentage gains. So you have to be prepared for this type of line like this coming down. The waves getting smaller and smaller. But that being said, still seeing a red dot on the monthly. I'm not a fan of that. I don't like seeing that. Can it disappear? Yes, it can disappear if we decide to see a positive closure towards the end of June, which is on the table in my opinion. Guys, we are just chopping around. But I really do want to hone this back on the meme coins because that has been the narrative this cycle so far. You got to be patient. You got to be patient. And honestly, don't be surprised if they take a really significant beating. And sure, this might be the bottom, but if Bitcoin decides to trade down below, say, to 62,000, you're probably going to see some more pain, guys. You're probably going to see Pepe maybe come down to 0.00009 or 8. You could see another 20% drop. You could see some big drops when it comes to the memes because, well, to be frank, there's no utility except for the hype that's behind them. It's just how it is. But that's also why you can get such extravagant gains on it. But that being said, if we do decide to come down to $62,000 on Bitcoin, be prepared to see some bigger moves to the downside on the meme coins. Maybe a good buying the dip opportunity. In my opinion, I probably will be starting to load up a little bit more if we do see a dip below that level. Right now, I'm just hanging out. I've taken profit along the way to the upside, and when we see a significant drop, I'll probably layer in, and I'll let you guys know when I decide to start exiting. And if you want to get in on some of those awesome trade signals, please go below this video here. You can click join channel to access perks. You get access to our private Discord. There's trade signals. We talk a lot of back and forth. CryptoKip and I are really active there. If you want to check that out. Also, speaking of that, we do have an awesome affiliate link to Blowfin, an exchange we just started to work with. They have a $30 sign-on bonus. All you have to do is click this link below this video, deposit $100, move it to your futures part on Blowfin. You get $30 in about 1 to 2 days. You don't even need to trade your $100, and you can take it out. It's free. It's pretty crazy. They're awesome in working with us to present to you guys a fantastic link because they want you to use their exchange. But back to the video here. You know, guys, sideways consolidation is boring and tough. And yes, people are getting hurt because the altcoins are making big moves to the downside, especially on the meme coins. People are getting wrecked. But sideways consolidation is not weak, guys, unless it breaks down. Unless we get confirmation that it's going to break down, we're setting up for a higher high. That's what we're setting up for right now. We are just consolidating. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the awesome links we have down below. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.